Now we're going to add some scripts to display the lose text when the cat touches the crab. Now let's go back and look at the ball, the script for the ball. When the cat touches the ball, so when green flag clicked, it shows the ball. Forever if touching cat, sprite 1, then hide and broadcast a message which says win. Now that's how we accomplish this for the ball. Now we're going to do a very similar thing for the crab. So we click on the crab and we go to its script. So forever if touching sprite 1, that's fine, then hide. But now we're going to add a broadcast message. So we go to events and we go to broadcast. Click this piece, drag it across and drop it just below hide. Okay, so this guy is going to broadcast a message. And what message? Obviously he's going to broadcast the message lose. So we click on the drop down arrow and we click on new message. In the dialog box that appears, we type in the word L-O-S-E, lose. Click on OK. And now we're going to have a broadcast message. So when the cat touches the crab, there's going to be a broadcast message. Now somebody is going to receive that broadcast message, and that is our 4 letters L, O, S, and E. Now let's go and add scripts for them to receive this broadcast message. Starting with the L. In the Events tab still, we drag across when I receive lose. Okay, what does it do when it receives the broadcast message lose? It appears. So we go to looks and show. Next, for the O, events, when I receive lose, looks and show. Same with the S, events, when I receive lose, looks and show. And finally, with the E, events, when I receive lose, looks and show. Perfect. Let's see what happens. Stop and start my script again. Fantastic.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.